My name's Jennifer Porto, and I'm the art teacher here at the Wright Science and Technology Academy. We received this money from the Boston Celtics and Alex and Ani to transform my art room into an art lab. I feel like it's going to give our students opportunities that kids in other communities have, but we don't. It felt like I won the art teacher lottery. I think it's an overall feeling, like an excitement that the kids have about the classroom. I think for a lot of kids, especially middle school, this is the time of your life where you're dreaming and thinking about what you want to be when you grow up, and I think they wanted to create a place that could be all about that.
Thank you so much. I feel like it makes the school and the community a better place, and it makes students more happier every day.
A huge thank you for choosing us and for giving us this gift. It makes the kids feel special that you chose them to have this in a community where sometimes they don't have a lot of reason to feel special. Giving them this gift has done that, so thank you so much.